honey, you finally fixed the sink!
Things weren't always this easy.
You don't do this on Real Housewives.
What's wrong, dear?
It's the sink again. Didn't I tell you to get this fixed?
I am. I will.
Well, all right. I'm going to the store. But when I come back, if it's not fixed, you don't get any dinner tonight. Yeah.
No dinner? Oh yeah, Fix All Plumbing.
Fix All Plumbing, this is Carol speaking. How can I help you?
Hi Carol, we need Fix All's help for our kitchen sink.
He'll be right over.
Great, thanks.
Hi, I'm John from Fix All Plumbing. How can I help you today?
So there's the kitchen sink.
Yeah.
Alright, so I understand that the bath, everything's going on inside, right? Okay, I'm going to turn the camera on. Here at Fix All Plumbing, we have all the state-of-the-art machinery to take care of all your plumbing needs. Oh, there it is, right here. Here, there's a blockage. Alright, all fixed.
Thanks, John. You're a lifesaver.
Anytime.
Thanks, honey. You finally fixed the sink!
Thanks, Fix All Plumbing.
Who's Fix All Plumbing?
Oh, no one, dear. Come on, sink's fixed. Let's go dinner.